Microsoft Office is the industry standard in office productivity apps. Word, PowerPoint, and Excel are used by offices around the globe. If you're a home user paying monthly, you're looking at around $7 a month or $70 a year. Have you ever thought if you really need Office at home? Maybe you just need a place to type in some notes in Word or calculate some numbers in Excel. And in this case, it may not be worth spending the $70 a year on Microsoft Office. So here are 3 free alternatives for Microsoft Office. Number 1, AppSheet OpenOffice, which is a free open source app. OpenOffice is a single app where you can create text documents, spreadsheets, presentations, drawings, databases, and formulas. And it works on practically any desktop computer, including macOS, Windows, and Linux. And if you've ever used Microsoft Office before 2004, then you'll find yourself right at home with customized toolbars that stretch across the top window, and it's a simplified look that uses the traditional universal icons that we see across most Office applications. LibreOffice is the exact same thing as OpenOffice. The little difference is that OpenOffice is updated more often. It has a more modern and cleaner look to it while keeping the original OpenOffice design intact. Like OpenOffice, LibreOffice is available cross-platform on most desktop computers, including macOS, Windows, and Linux. And it still has the same apps that come with OpenOffice, including a text editor, spreadsheet, database manager, presentations, drawings, and formulas. Lastly is Apple's iWork suite, which comes pre-installed on every Mac, iPhone, and iPad. And if they're not on your computer, you can find them in the App Store where you can download them for free. iWorks is exclusive for the Apple ecosystem, including your Mac, iPhone, and iPad. And iWork is a little different than OpenOffice. The iWork suite is made up of 3 different apps. There's Keynote for presentations, Pages for text documents, and Numbers for spreadsheets. And each of these apps use the same styled layout, including a top customizable toolbar, which is great for tools that you use often, although most of the tools can be found on the side toolbar. iWork is a wild card, and that is different than the rest of the Office programs, and it may take you a little bit of time to get used to. Microsoft Office may dominate the business market, and just because your business is paying for it doesn't mean you have to pay for it when you get home. There are so many free alternatives that you can take advantage of. And when you need to save a file as an Microsoft Office document, you have that option from each of these options. And if Office isn't critical for your work, maybe you should try one of these free alternatives. Thanks for listening. If you've enjoyed this podcast, be sure to check out its companion video on our YouTube channel. And check out our website, appleguideweb.com, and follow us on all social media at appleguideweb. Thanks for listening.